So Doug, we're back here at Wynn Vale. Why?
Because of the weather, Frank. It's been stinky hot every day, and over the other side where we normally go, we're facing into the sun. This side, the sun's coming up over our back and we're in the shade of the tree. Well, yeah, you got a cold, I'm grumpy. What a great session we're going to have. What do you think?
Yeah. Things can only look up.
Yes, that's right. A fish will change everything.
Yeah. Well, it's nice conditions today. It's pleasantly warm and virtually no breeze at the moment. This is a spot that has produced a lot of catfish for us over the last couple of years, and there's always a chance of a big carp out there. Don't really want to get a big carp out there because of those snags and stumps in the water. But I'm fishing a light paternoster with worms out towards that light coloured duck, and eventually I'll get a feeder in out here. And Doug's got a feeder and a float as always.
We've got short rods today because of the overhanging obstructions.
Yes.
Corn, worms, bread.
Yeah, we got it covered. Doug is on. And I put money on a fat carp, Doug.
Yep.
Yes, there's a lot of rubbish, isn't there? Yeah, that's a good fish, alright.
Keep him up, keep him up.
Do you want me to net him?
I'm alright at the minute.
Oh, solid.
Well, it is solid. It is solid.
You want me to do it, Doug? That's a nice one.
Oh.
Woohoo!
Wow.
Yeah, wow.
I don't know what to say about that. 7.75 kilos.
Okay. That's a stonker. So 17 pound.
Yeah.
Very nice. Just have a look at this. YouTube tell me that 80% of you that watch these videos aren't subscribed. Do yourself a favour, and me, and hit that subscribe button. Visit my channel homepage and find lots of playlists carefully organised for your viewing pleasure. And not just carp fishing either. I do lots of different sorts of fishing and touring and forward driving. You need to go and have a look. And hit the subscribe button. Well, I'm surprised I haven't had a bite on the worms. I got corn on this one. I did have one tug on it.
That carp I got on corn.
Yeah. Doug's called it for a cat. That was on his waggler.
Has to be.
Yeah, I think you're right.
If you can net it for me.
Sure.
Good on you.
It is.
It is like your one.
Nicely done, Doug.
Yeah, it's not as big as yours. It's not.
What's that? A bit skinny.
He is skinny, actually. He's nice though, isn't he?
He's very nice. Nice blue eyes.
Yeah. Like Frank Sinatra. I did it my way.
Yeah. Well, Doug's catching all the fish, and I really don't deserve this. I caught 3 of the buggers yesterday. And here comes another one. It's a long neck.
Oh, look at that scungy thing.
At least he's not hooked in the gob.
I'll leave you to get that out, Frank.
Thanks, Doug. What is it with me and these damn things? I thought it was Doug's problem. Look what Doug caught. A little baby catfish. and I got this. Very good, Doug.
Lovely little cat.
Is it a fish?
Yep.
Should have gone to Specsavers.
Tea. Surely, if it is.
Yeah,
I think it is.
Yes, I'm afraid I think it is too.
If it is, it's a big one. Oh,
it is?
Oh, look at the size of that.
I think you're definitely in line to win your own trophy, Doug.
Oh, the smelly thing.
Oh my
Look at the
God.
size of that.
Yes. It's a honker. Straight outdoors, my bait.
You're not going to film this, are you?
I'm afraid I am. I saw the bite and told Doug about it, and guess what? Now, you remember you said the word, Doug, or what did I say to you? I said, you're going to get another one. And he has. Bit sad when we go fishing and the highlight is how many of these we get.
Yeah. Poor thing.
Oh well, he's free!
Oh, you're a cruel cat. Oh.
You said the word. You're paying for it big time. I'll tell you what, they're getting smaller.
Not funny.
It is very funny.
They liners.
Don't know, that moved a fair bit. I'm getting all these little half bites. Either something swam through the line or I've got one of those hardbacks picking at it. Definitely wasn't a positive take. Story of my day. I was watching that kid over on the other bank. Finally got a fish.
That's a fish. That's a cat. That'd be a cat.
It's a carp.
Oh.
But at least, as they say,
it's a fish.
I'm on the board.
You're on the board.
And
Like those ones
I was so not expecting it to happen, I nearly missed it completely.
Yeah, I watched it go and I thought, oh, he's bound to do something. And there was like...
I wasn't paying detention.
No, because he was listening.
It's not a very healthy looking fish, Doug. It's got a lot of sores on it. What you got?
It's a fish.
Oh, right. What's the time? 10:25. Right, I'll get rid of this one.
Be a tad bigger. And we haven't had a carp for hours. Hold on.
Yeah, very close. Yeah, all right. You might just shade me.
Yeah, mine's definitely bigger. How crazy is that?
Yeah. We've been sitting here for the best part of 2 hours without any action at all, and then all of a sudden, bang bang, we both get a fish within seconds of each other, and neither of us was concentrating. So, all rather fortunate. But at least, thank God, I've avoided the donut. What you got, Doug? I told you. I told you.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
You're so cruel. You're so cruel. And I was, when you caught that pathetic little carp a minute ago, I was so supportive.
I'm being supportive. It's deja vu or karma or maybe both. So that's number
4.
4.
I've lost it again.
Another one.
Yeah, I've lost it.
You're supposed to let him go after you get him to the bank, Doug. Well, Doug, you got a very nice carp this morning.
Although I was very fortunate actually, Frank, because
What was fortunate about it? It was pure skill.
You told me since then that you wanted to sit here, didn't you?
You don't need to tell the viewers that. You don't need to tell them that I threatened you with physical violence because you got all the fish today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
it was a nice fish.
It was. The weather hasn't been as hot as we thought.
No.
I had the absolute grumps this morning, but I've mellowed up. Yeah.
Yes, he's just been a bundle of sunlight to be fishing with this morning.
I've been too hot in the last few days.
Look, you had a really nice carp, and then you got a couple of catfish, and then at 10:30 on the nose we both got a carp each.
Yeah.
And of course, despite my constant warnings, you said the word and you paid the price with 4 assorted size shellbacks.
Yes.
And I've been fishing in this beautiful spot here right next to this wonderful snag. You'd think it'd be loaded with fish, and I have had exactly 1 bite. That's the way it goes, I think.
Yeah, it is.
But a nice morning out all the same.
It's been a nice morning, yeah.
Now we should tell the viewers about an upcoming event, Doug, and it's got nothing to do with sponsorship. I have, through popular demand, or due to popular demand, I have put together a montage of Doug and Frank's best moments.
What's a montage mean?
A real mix-up.
Oh, okay. So
Yeah.
you're in it then?
Well, I'm behind the camera, Doug. You're doing most of the talking. I think the viewers will love it. It's hilarious. It's all the best moments since we have fished together, from the very first times when you were so quiet, and I thought, oh, this is going to be fun.
Have we had some best moments, have we?
Oh, I think we've had a few.
Have we?
Yeah.
We've had a laugh.
We certainly have had a laugh. Yes.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's coming up very soon, I would say within the next few weeks. It's called The Odd Couple.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
And look, it features you specifically, but there's a cast of 1,000 fish as well.
Yeah. Oh, that's good then.
Yes.
Yeah.
So keep your eye out, viewers. I think you'll like it.
Yeah.
Right.
I'll keep my eyes out too.
Yes. Well, Doug doesn't know anything about it other than I've told him that I've done it.
Yeah.
So look, a lovely day down here at Wynn Vale. Beautiful weather conditions for fishing, but the fish just haven't really played a part from that beautiful carp that Doug got earlier. 17 pounds. Well done, Doug.
Thanks, Frank.
My turn next time.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
It is your turn, actually.
If you haven't, please subscribe. Hope you like the video. See you in the next one. Say goodbye, Doug.
Oh, goodbye, Doug.
Oh my God. I thought he'd got it, but clearly he hasn't.